Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and welcome back to a Unix shell programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a shell program to perform basic operations of a simple calculator like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using else if ladder statement. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. So as you can see here, I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it will display this menu with four options. First is addition, then subtraction, multiplication and division. With each and every option, you can see a number is prefixed 1, 2 to 4. Okay? That means when the user is asked to enter your choice, if the user enters 1, that means control will transfer to addition block to perform the addition of these two numbers. Suppose if user enters 2, then control will transfer to other block in the program to perform subtraction of two numbers, and you will get the subtraction. Like this, based on the user's input, the control will transfer to different block of the program to give you the output. Okay, so this is how the program works. So now how we come to know that we should use else if ladder for this type of program. So as I already told you that when the control moves to different blocks in your program based on the user input, then you can use else if ladder. So the similar things are happening here. Based on the user input, the control is moving to different parts of the program. That's why you must use else if ladder here. Okay, so you can also use switch statement for this program, and we will make a different video on the same program using switch case. Okay, so now in this video we will be focusing on else if ladder. Okay, so now just by looking at this output, what do you think, how many variables are required? So as you can see here, once the program gets executed, it will ask user to enter your choice. That means user needs to enter one value, and in our program to hold that value we need to create one variable. So to hold the value or the user's input, we must create one variable, let us say ch. Okay, next, immediately after that, the program will be asking the user to enter two numbers. So in our program, to hold these two numbers, also we need to create two variables, let us say a, b. Okay, after that our program needs to make the addition, and we will be getting the final output, which is 30. And to store that 30 in our program, we also need to create one more variable, let us say add. Similarly, when we are performing subtraction, the output of subtraction needs to store some other variable, let us say sub. Next, to store the output of multiplication, we will create mul. And to store the output of division, we will create div variable. Okay, so these are the variables we require to write this program. Now let us move ahead to discuss the syntax of else if ladder. I already discussed the syntax of else if ladder in my earlier videos. If you guys have not seen that video, then I just recommend you guys to watch that video as well. Now let us discuss this syntax one more time. Now it starts with if followed by the condition. Okay, if this condition gets satisfied, then control will come inside the if to execute the statement 1. Okay, if this condition didn't get satisfied, then control will come to elif to check for second condition. If the second condition gets satisfied, then control will come inside the elif to execute statement 2. If this second condition didn't get satisfied, then control will come to third condition, which is elif, where there is a third condition. If this condition becomes true, then control will come inside elif to execute statement 3. If none of these above three conditions get satisfied, then control will come to else block to execute this statement 4. Okay, so in our program, this statement 4 will get executed whenever user will be entering any number other than these four numbers. Okay, let us say user enters 5 or 6. In that case, I must redirect the control in the program to this else statement. Okay, so now let us use this else if ladder syntax to create this program. Okay, so every Unix shell program starts with the shebang statement, which is hash exclamation space forward slash usr slash bin slash dash. Okay, next I need to write the code to design this menu. I will use echo command space double quote one dot addition echo. Okay, next I should display this message, enter your choice. Read space hyphen p space double quote is ch. Okay, then user will be entering 1, then 1 gets stored inside ch. Next I should start the if condition. If, then space to open square brackets, then space dollar ch space is equal to operator. I will use equal to operator space 1 space these two brackets closed semicolon, then okay, if now the value stored inside ch is 1 according to that output. Now I'm checking 1 is equals to 1. Yes, if this condition becomes true, now in this case this condition becomes true, that's why control will come inside this if block. Now I must ask the user to enter two numbers. Read double quote close space p. Okay, now the values get stored inside a in p. Next I need to perform the addition. Add equal dollar bracket echo space double quote dollar a plus dollar b pipe bc. Okay, next I need to print add. Okay, now what if user enters 2? That means user wants to perform subtraction. So in that case I need to come to the else if block. Else if space to open square brackets space dollar ch space equal space 2, then close to square brackets semicolon, then again I need to ask the user to enter these two numbers. Second number b. Now I need to perform the subtraction. Sub is equals to dollar bracket echo space double quote dollar a minus dollar b pipe pc. Now I need to print the sub echo. Similarly I need to use one more elif. What if user enters 3? That user wants to perform multiplication. So I need to move the control to elif block. L if open brackets dollar ch equal 3. Then okay, now user entered 3, then 3 gets stored inside the ch. So 3 is equals to 3. Yes, now this condition becomes true. That's why control will come inside this elif block to ask for these two numbers. Number space b. Next mul is equals to dollar bracket echo dollar a into dollar b double quote close pipe bc. Next echo mul. Next, what if the user enters 4? Okay, so one by one each and every condition checked for the input 4. Here ch will have the value 4. 4 is not equals to 1. Yes, condition becomes false. That's why control will come to elif. 4 is equals to 2. No, condition didn't get satisfied. That's why control will comes to elif. Here also 4 is not equals to 3. Obviously, okay. So control will come to next part. L if $ch equal 4, then okay, now this ch hold the value 4. 4 is equals to 4. Yes, now this condition becomes true. That's why control will come inside this elif to ask read number b, then div is equals to dollar bracket echo space double quote dollar a by dollar b pipe bc. Now we need to print echo space double quote div. Okay, now else. Okay, now what if user enters none of these numbers, user enter 5, then in that case I should display invalid input, and that we need to print under else block echo. Okay, then and if. Okay. So this is how you can write a Unix shell program to perform various operations of a simple calculator. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood this program. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.